Monday mornings. Mondays never go as planned, but here we are. We're gonna cover these jobs today, and then we're gonna cover the other one that we did on last week's video tomorrow. It's getting inspected today, and we're gonna move on. This week's kind of light. I'm lying, this week's not light. We got to cover these. Got some tanks to pump on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday got another repair to do, another mound. Can't get an in-ground system right now, it seems. So we're gonna get to work. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you're subscribing. Make sure that you're smashing that like button, smash that thumbs up, and share. All right, let's get to work. Skid steer is still in the shop. All 4 injectors were bad, so they've had it for a while. That's why you see me on here covering these mounds, both of these mounds up with my excavator. Isn't ideal. Yes, I could have rented a skid steer. I could have done a lot of things, but excavator gets the job done, as you can see here. So that's what I had to do. But man, I miss my skid steer. All right, so apparently the cameras weren't recording when we were raking this, so I can't show you the final product of either, and covering the other drain field on the other side is even less footage. So you're not gonna get to see the finished product on this one, but we always rake them nice and pretty. Hand rake. We don't have a power rake. We're not up to that level just yet. We will be. Also, something I want to point out is, so there's 2 loads dumped next to this drain field, and you see 4 loads dumped next to the other one. It was supposed to be 3 and 3, but you guys know how working with dump truck drivers are. It's impossible. So they put 4 there. I ended up having to go and borrow my dad's little small John Deere loader and move 1 load completely with that, which was awful. So yeah. All right, now we're on to the other job. Sorry, I was having a lot of issues with the cameras, but back to covering this one. It really isn't easy covering them with this excavator, but it is what it is. Now on this one, we did get footage of breaking it out. Come on, man, stop. There you go. Don't be standing around. Oh yeah, it was a hot one. Whoa. What am I doing? I'm fixing to go pump some tanks. So I'm going to pump some tanks. Had the owner of a local community group, call me. She needed a tank pump, so I said yeah. And then once I said yeah to her, 2 more called. Couldn't say no. Once you're out in the pump truck, you might as well be out in the pump truck and do the damn thing. So we're here, took our time, got this old girl started up, cranked up. As you guys haven't watched me in my videos, I don't pump a lot of septic tanks. I hate it. I do drain fields. That's my thing. You guys seen me get the other job covered from last week, yesterday. The day before that, we got the 2 new installs covered. So this week's going pretty good. Tomorrow we start a repair. Let's go. So we're on the first one now. This is an inspection, and see the tank. Looks like it's been taken care of. Draining field goes out that way and into the backyard. House built in the 80s. Honestly, feels a little good to be on the pump truck because, I mean, look at it. Feels good. Let's get back to work. So we're at the owner of the community group. I don't really know what to call it, but it's an old one. It was deep. Look at that. About 18 inches deep. Let's get this thing done. Back on another one. So today we are out here gonna collapse this tank over here. It's an old one, and then this is the drain field that they have now. We're gonna get it done. That was fun. The whole neighborhood's trash was apparently buried exactly where we wanted to put the tank. So if anyone's looking for their old fiberglass dirt bike helmet, we found it. Just call Lakeland Septic Company. We'll get that to you. But we got the tank in, looking all pretty as usual. Infiltrator's the best. I don't care what any of you guys say. And we are done. It looks beautiful. Drain field in, felt paper in. I get asked all the time, you guys don't put felt paper? We do put felt paper on anything that takes fine sand, field dirt. But that's it. We're gonna cover this bad boy up tomorrow. Make sure you guys are subscribed, smashing that like button. See you on the next one. Woo, look at that. Fresh cut, fresh shave. Must be Friday. We're gonna get this job covered and out. Garen for missed laundry day. So
we're gonna get this finished up, get out of here early Friday. We're gonna enjoy the weekend. This is it. That's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are following us on Instagram at Lakeland Septic Company to see all the goodies that we post there. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. Peace.